Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna talk about Asana and how you can use it and make the maximum benefit out of it. So let's get started. So Asana is a platform where you can have everything under one roof. You can track your projects, you can interact with your team, assign tasks, and more. You can also use Asana for your personal needs. So let's see how you can do all of this. So first of all, let's get started. And here I will just connect my Google account here. Now let's set up our account. First, my full name. You can also upload a picture, however, I'm gonna skip it. Now you can say your primary role. Let's say, for example, freelancer. Continue. Now you will need to just select all what is you're interested in. I will just pick some random topics and let's go. Now we can also choose your main objective. I recommend using project and process management if you are a small to medium organization. However, if you are a large organization, just go with the third option. So I will just pick the first option here and press on continue. Now let's say let's tell Asana what's something you and your team are currently working on. Let's just say, for example, YouTube tutorials or your YouTube channel, for example, and press on continue. Now let's insert some tasks, for example, YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, and building up a community. Now let's continue. Here it will categorize them into three categories: to do, doing, done. If you prefer another terminologies like planned, in progress, and accomplished, you can just go on and change them. However, I'm gonna leave it like this and press on continue. Here you control your own view, so you can pick the list view, the board view, timeline view, calendar view. I prefer the board view because it helps you to drag and drop tasks between here and there, so it's easier for me to manipulate my own tasks. So I will just continue now. Here you can also invite your teammates, so I will just invite a single email and press on continue now. Now it offers you a chance to view apps and continue in case you are interested in seeing the mobile version. However, I'm gonna just skip for now and go to Asana. So this is basically how your dashboard look like. Here on the left menu, you can see home, my tasks, inbox, reporting, portfolios, goals, projects, and team. So let's see and explore one by one. If we went to home, you will see guides that help you to complete and set up your own profile. You can also see your tasks here, upcoming, overdue, and completed, and you can also see projects. So it's like insights for your own activity. You can also customize it from here. You can customize background, for example. You can control how it look like. I think this one is nice. So let's just pick it and continue. Now, if you move to my tasks, you will see all your tasks that you assigned, which are YouTube shorts, YouTube videos. So here you can change the view into board, for example, calendar, files. So let's just pick board. Here you can manipulate your own tasks. You can drag and drop them to any part you want. You can also add a new section from here, from add section. You can also customize this part from here. You can select to eliminate or add any data from here. So next is the inbox, which shows you all the messages and the notifications which you might be interested in and which are related to your own activity. Next is the reporting, which are the insights for your own activity. If you press on Get Started, you can see the incompleted tasks, total tasks, completed tasks, and other charts which help you and attract your eye actually to monitor your own activity. You can also add a chart from here, and you can define which type of chart you are interested in. You have pie charts, you have bar charts, you have all type of charts you want. So now let's exit this, and now let's move on to portfolios. Here you can see your own portfolio in case you want to build one. However, I'm gonna just skip it for the sake of this tutorial. And now let's move on to goals and set up one of our goals. Here you can add a goal. Let's say, for example, reach 4,000 hours or watching hours on YouTube. And here I can select the time period. I can edit the privacy. I can add members to this goal. I can also update the method here. How I will measure the progress. So I would prefer if you pick automatic here. You can also decide whether you want to monitor your progress based on sub-goals or the whole project. And here you can identify the measurement. Here I will just choose numeric total because I would prefer to know how many hours I have achieved instead of knowing the percentage. So now let's save goal. And here is our goal. So this chart needs to be edited because it only shows 0 and no other information. So let's just press on this pin and let's here, okay, it's to maybe 0 decimals. And now, sorry, I exited. So let's return again to the pin here. And now let's change this to manual. Here, let's pick the starting value. Let's say you already achieved 100 watching hours and your current, sorry, this is the starting, so it's 0. The current value is, let's say, 100 watching hours, and the target is 4,000. Let's make this bigger. Okay, 1,000 for example. And now let's press on, now let's make this 0 and press on save. And here we are. This shows you how much progress you achieved. You can also choose the status of your own goal, whether it's on track, at risk, or off track. You can also close this goal in case you are no longer interested. You can add a description here. So this is basically how you can control your own goal, and you can add sub goals in case your goal is like a big project and you want to add sub goals so that you can divide and better quantify the progress. Next is projects. Here you can go to your YouTube channel. You can see all of your tasks here. You can, as we said before, you can drag and drop them anywhere here. You can also change the view of these tasks into list, for example, into timeline. Timeline usually takes few seconds to upload, to load actually. So let's wait for it. Here it is. So you can choose any of these views to control how you view the progress of your project. And here you can control your own workspace in case you have teammates and you want to organize the workflow between them. So basically, this is how easy you can use Asana to handle your business. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.